He walks where my fear lives, mud on a gold heel, old scars on his knuckles, still makes the cold kneel. I saw him in the market, by the fish and the knives. One look from his tired eyes and the room came alive. He don't need thunder, he brings it with him. He don't ask for worship, but the walls all listen. God among humans, God among humans, walk slow, take your crown. God among humans, God among humans, even break me He laughed at my questions like rain on tin roofs. Said, child, you keep running, but the truth keeps you loose. He wore the dawn like a scar on a face made of night. Then he vanished in traffic and left